Hello everyone, my name is Stefan Momcilovic and welcome to third episode of CRO Audit Series. In today's episode we have Solaray website. I searched some terms on Google for supplements and vitamins and this site came up to, and I see that there is a lot of things that are going on here, and let's go through it and see what we can change. So my name is Stefan Momcilovic, I'm the founder of StefansWeb. I have like hundreds completed projects in Shopify, like liquid coding, scaling Shopify stores and etc. And I have a lot of experience on UI UX designs and how we can overall improve the site conversion rate. With all that in mind, you can check my website to make sure that I'm legit, so I'm not hiding anything. With that in mind, let's go through it. So the first thing that I saw here that can be improved is this text is barely readable right here because of this background. So basically I will put some readable text right here, or some with a little bit background for the text, just that can be readable. And this CTA is clearly, and it needs to be much bigger than this. And when I hover over it, I don't know why is this yellow color right here. I don't know how that's changed from black to yellow, but it's don't come together, like it's not looking pretty much good. And also the header menu is barely readable, so instead of this transparent right here, I will immediately put the background for the header to be like this. Let me see, complimentary shipping on orders over $50. Okay, that's good to know, but also we don't have any more like suggestions in the announcement bar what's going on into this site. Just this, like for the complimentary shipping on orders over $50. I don't know if it's free shipping. Do I get something like if I get 2 for 1 or something like that? Nothing is really going on into this announcement bar also, but this header and this image is not pretty much good. Also we have other like sliders, but also I will just change this to only have 1 or 2 for now, but not this too much. And I will also do change the height of this slider because it's pretty much too big, and I cannot see anything further down. As you can see, I need really to scroll down to see something, and this title is too big. White space is not very good and I cannot see the products. This text is also very big, and all that stuff can really like potentially decrease like buying customers, because they need to do a lot just to get to your products and to see some CTA to make them purchase. I don't know how to feel about this, because most of the customers shopping by the feeling, shopping by the emotions, not everything is logic here. So you need to make sure you provide them with great experience, so they don't need to think of anything, just purchasing your products. So like I said, this menu right here needs to be changed, like this background color needs to be immediately shown like this, and this text also needs to be clearly visible, and this CTA button can be much bigger. And when I hover over it, instead of black color right here, I will immediately put this yellow color, and when I hover over it, it will be like slightly opacity lowered, so for me to know that I hovered over this button. And that's pretty much it, and not that like this black button right here, and this is like yellow when I hover over it and all that stuff. And as we can see, the menu is messed up when I started scrolling down. As we can see, the menu is not showing really great, and that needs to be fixed, and that is the big issue right here when we are started scrolling right down through the store. And also, as we can see, when I hover over this health interest, I need just to click on this, just to open this secondary menu, this drop down menu. And as we can see in this drop down menu, there is a lot of white space. There is also one more scroll bar right here, and that's not really good for the UI experience, for the customer experience when it's going through some store, and that needs to be fixed. Like I said, I'm suggesting like to use, let me show you again, I'm suggesting to use these images right here in drop down menus, or if you don't want to use images in drop down menu, I will suggest to use these icons right here, like this shop have, umzu.com. So instead of images, if you don't like images, I will suggest you to use icons. And because it's easier for the customer to see what the products are you selling based on icons or images, and they can easily just go through your header with ease and click on some category page, collection page they are interested, and they can easily buy your products. Products and categories, yeah, like I said, this is awful menu, so whole menu needs to be fixed. I love that you have like this take our quiz. I don't know if that's some Shopify app. Yeah, I think it does. Yeah, it's some Shopify app, but also it can be much improved. As we can see, this text is not like perfectly aligned with each other and all that stuff. Some like user issues right here on the store, but that I think can be easily fixed if we take some longer time to do all that properly. So let's start scroll down. Like I said, this section is like too big and needs to be smaller, and I don't see any products right here. And I love this what they created, like vitamins, multivitamins, minerals and all that stuff, but that needs to be seen like immediately with some CTA right here, like shop now, and I can easily go through that like collection page of multivitamins, vitamins, minerals and etc. So basically I will like decrease the font size of the, like I will change the font size of this to be smaller. Also on this needs to be smaller and not too much white space right here. Add some CTA button like for shop now right here, and this also needs to be a little bit smaller if it can be, but I think it will be good to see if these titles and this texts have smaller fonts. So I think it can be easily seen immediately if we just change these two, and we can add that CTA immediately. So let's get started scrolling. Okay, I don't know what is happening here, but there is some issues with the site, like there is too much white space right here, so please fix that. Like I said, it's annoying to have these like little issues that can be fixed like easily, but no one is fixing them. Like okay, I see some issue right here. When I start scrolling down, the menu is not showing, but when I start scrolling up, the menu is like going back and it's normal, but that needs to be like all the time and needs to have like this color, yellow color right here. So okay, this section is too big. I will potentially just make this section smaller, and maybe I will add some key points of the products, like this bone muscle relaxation and some like benefits of the products, why I should buy that product immediately and not some other product. So basically in this section right here, I will only change this image to be smaller, CTA to be bigger, and this also maybe to be a little bit bigger. And also I will add other products, like I can scroll through other products, and these key points that will be on the left side or the right side, however you want. I think it's better to be on the right side because we are reading from left to right. So I think it's better to have like key points on the right side, and I will put that there. And when we are scrolling through the products, because it will have some arrows right here for the right and left, go back and forward, it will change the product title, prices, and this shop now also, and the key benefits for that product. I think that will be perfect for this site. And also just to fix this, let me scroll all the way down. Okay, we have like some products right here, but instead of this I will just put best sellers product, and when I'm scrolling through like this product, that those best selling products are shown right here. So for example, for now this is the first one. When I click on the second one, then it's this Tongkat Ali, I don't know how to say that, sorry. And like 4 best-selling products, and when we scrolling through that, it will show immediately. And also when we start scrolling a little bit down, this white space needs to be a little bit less, and we can see that products immediately right here with shop now. And I don't know, this CTA is a little bit too further down from the products. That also needs to be fixed. And this price is also can have like maybe better like spacing right here. Superior absorption guaranteed. Okay, I don't know what that means exactly. Probably I will change this to some like benefits of your products, why I should choose you instead of some of your competitors. And I will have the CTA for the shop now of your products, and that's basically it. I will do some section like this. Let me show you exactly like us versus them. Like Chimera Coffee had like brilliant in that for that section, or you can use like some like trusted block like they use right here. But let me show you what I'm thinking. Okay, that's it's on product pages, so let me go to some product page just to show you how that looks like, us versus them. Okay, something like this, and you will have some CTA like shop now right here, and that will pretty much be it. So let me close that, and let me close these two. Okay, when we are started scrolling all the way down right here, we have like our latest stories. I will potentially leave that to the footer with smaller these images, and yeah, that's pretty much it if you want to show some blogs. But also I didn't see any of your customer testimonials, any of your social proof. So basically I will add that social proof somewhere like here. Where is this empty space right here? There it will be shown some social proof with videos, images, or something like that. You can use Tolstoy, you can use like wide wise, I don't know, there is a lot of apps for the videos that you can use, but I recommend Tolstoy to create some section and just to show that. Like we said, like for these stories it will be all the way down to the footer with this image smaller. And this in health food stories, hashtag #1 vitamin and mineral brand. Okay, that's good, but also it's using, I don't know why is this section, this background right here. So basically I will remove this. This will be some trusted blocks, but I will also recommend you to add another trusted blocks like for 100% natural money back, 30 back money guarantee or something like that. But I don't know, you will figure it out what is the best trusted blocks in this industry. So, and when we are when we remove this, we will have some also Instagram social proof, so Instagram photos, videos, etc. like I showed in the previous videos. I will not show that again. Store locator, okay, that's good to have, but you can easily add that as the menu item in the footer. And the footer also needs to be changed and optimized. I will not go through any of this. We are seeing, we have eyes that the footer is not looking too much great, and that needs to be changed. This image is all the way down to the corner of my screen. This is too empty, and yeah, I don't want to talk about this footer. So it needs to be changed. And also this store locator, it will not be here, it will be removed from here, and it will be some menu item right here with footer title, yeah, for example for shop, for support and social, and you will have icons instead of this text for Instagram, Facebooks. And this affiliate program, it will be in the support or information tab right here. And yeah, the footer needs to be changed. Let's go to some collection page. Let's see how collection page is. Okay, I love this beauty from within, but I will change this image to be a little bit smaller, just for me to see immediately the product. So this image needs to be a little bit smaller, and let me see. Yeah, okay, I'm on this collection page. I got confused for a second. Did I click on this collection page? But yeah, I am correct. So this image needs to be a little bit smaller so I can see immediately products, something like this, like the products can be seen immediately. I love that you're sorted by best selling, that I like mentioned million times in my videos now. Like you need to always sort your products immediately by best sellings, and you need to have some filtering in your products, like for prices, for in stock. Okay, I don't know why you will show in stock or out of stock, but I will filter by someone for something else, like for these vitamins and all that stuff. But also this filtering is not pretty much good, and I will potentially change this to like all products. What does this mean, like all products right here? Biotin and all that stuff, ice, okay. But yeah, like I said, this also needs to be a little bit improved, but the collection page is pretty much good. Like I said, this image needs to be smaller, this needs to be changed a little bit, also this needs to be removed. You can sort by price. You don't have any CTA for the products, or shop now or view product, something like that needs to have. And let's go to the product page to see. Okay, the product page is basically default. I think this is Dawn theme of the Shopify, so the product page is default and needs to be like pretty much heavily updated. So I love that you have like this subscribe and save, and I will recommend for all supplements and vitamins stores to have these like subscribe and save or one-time purchase, because it can be easily improve your lifetime value with your customers and can bring more revenue to your store every month, instead to have like this just only one-time purchase. Like I said, this product page is bad and it needs a lot of changes right here, because it's using default Dawn theme, and default Dawn theme is not pretty much good for the product pages. This image is too big. Supplement facts, like when we are scrolling down, it's like barely showing something good, it's not good. And yeah, all other stuff here. Okay, there is too much sections going on right here. I will only choose only one or two sections just to show like for some benefits of the products and some trusted blogs for your products right here. And if they want to learn how these products are made, they can learn that from this section, for those 2-3 sections that you will have. But this is too much, so I need to scroll a little bit, like too much down, to see some of the customers' reviews. And yeah, you might also like, but instead of this, too much white space right here, and this is the footer. Okay, so you might also like, it's good, but it needs to like it's too much white space right here. And as we can see, this header is also messed up, like I said million times for now. Like this too much white space, so I don't see the products immediately. And this is like too much sections right here, so like I said, I will only put 2 or 3 sections, like one for the benefits of these products, like some key selling points, what these products have and how they can help, that product can help me. Some trusted blogs of the products, like 100% natural, or how it's made, like some process of how these products are made, so I know you're giving me the trust and I can purchase from you. And okay, frequently bought together, I will add that somewhere here. I don't know what is this. elevate your dealing with these supplements. But I will instead of this I will add frequently bought together, so you will have, they can immediately select if they also want that products for the plan, like subscription or something like that, or just add to cart immediately, and not something like this, because this not means anything to me. Like this evaluate your daily regimen with these supplements, and you are not saying me like, hey, this like with this product, with these two products are frequently bought together, so they can make some use for you, and you are not saying me that. So let's add this product to the cart. And I love that you have this upgrade to subscription and save 20%. I didn't see that for the Shopify stores that they have that. And I love that you're having this cart upsell right here, but I need a little bit to scroll down to add this product to the cart, but I will fix that somehow. Like if you can fix it to be a little bit smaller, so I can see also immediately upsell in the cart. Build your best routine with these thieves. Okay, that's good. Potentially I will change this title, but it's good for now. This is like too much close, there is too much white space right here, and too a little to bottom of this text. But yeah, I love it what you created in your cart. Like I said, I never seen that someone is like recommending upgrading to the subscription, but if I click on it, then I get error. Okay, that needs to be fixed. Cannot apply selling plan to the variant. So if you are recommending upgrading to subscription, you need to make sure that subscription is working when I click it. And yeah, that's pretty much it about this store. I hope you like it, guys. I hope you learned something, how you can improve your store. Like I said, there is a lot of UI UX issues in this store, but that can be easily fixed out, and I think this store can really convert the visitors into buying customers. Like if we optimize all this stuff, if this Solaray store optimizes all this stuff, it can really like improve the conversions and revenue of the store. So thank you again, guys, for watching this video. I hope you like it, and I hope you see it in the next one. Bye bye.